Going to read English newspaper. PM inaugurates developmental projects worth Rs 80,000 crore in Jharkhand. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday laid the foundation stone, inaugurated and launched various projects worth over Rs 83,300 crore in Jharkhand's Hazirabad on Wednesday afternoon. This visit marks the second time in 17 days that PM Modi will be in Jharkhand following his previous visit to Jamshedpur on September 15. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to the official handle of the BJP and posted today once again, I am getting the privilege of being a participant in the development journey of Jharkhand. I came to Jamshedpur a few days ago. From Jamshedpur, I launched development projects worth hundreds of crores of rupees for Jharkhand. Thousands of poor people of Jharkhand got their on Pakka house under PM Awas Yojana, and now within a few days the foundation stone and inauguration of development projects worth more than 80,000 crore have been done in Jharkhand today. These schemes are related to the welfare and upliftment of the tribal society. Said the post, in order to boost the educational infrastructure for the tribal communities, the Prime Minister inaugurated 40 Eklavya Model Residential School and laid the foundation stone for 25 EMRS worth Rs 2800 crore, according to the Prime Minister's office. The initiative will cover approximately 63,000 villages across 549 districts and 2,740 blocks in 30 states and union territories, directly benefiting over 5 crore tribal people. The Prime Minister also launched the Dharti Aba जनजातीय ग्राम उत्कर्ष अभियान scheme with a total outlay of over Rs 70,150 crore. As per party sources, PM Modi held a meeting with the tribal community in Ranchi, following which he had to Hazirabad's Gandhi Maidan to attend the closing ceremony of the Parivartan Yatra of the BJP. Earlier in the day, prior to PM Modi's visit, former Jharkhand Chief Minister Champai Soren highlighted the significant enthusiasm among the people to welcome PM Modi. Jharkhand is expected to hold elections for its 81 member Legislative Assembly by December 2024, as the current government's tender is set to end in January 2025. The Election Commission is yet to announce the election schedule. In the 2020 Assembly election, Jharkhand Mukti Morcha won 30 seats. The Bharatiya Janata Party won 25 and the Congress won 16. Thank you guys for watching this.